I just got a call here in Zone 1. They said there was an active shooter at the University of Pittsburgh library, and then they hung up.
Reports of gunshots send students on the Pitt campus scrambling. Turns out it was another hoax. Pitt police and the FBI are now investigating after the threat caused terror in the Oakland neighborhood.
The Pitt students say the communication by the school last night was not acceptable. Chris Hoffman is live with why students felt like they were in the dark. Chris.
Ken and Christine, the first call for an alleged active shooter at the campus came around 11:10. It wasn't until after 12:30, almost an hour and a half later, that Pitt students got an alert, and all it said was Pitt alert, Pitt ENS alert, : that was it. And for students, it was especially concerning because some heard the gunfire from when a Pittsburgh police officer shot out a door to gain access to the library. It was a situation of confusion and chaos for Pitt students at the Hillman Library on Monday night.
People started running out, so I just got out of here super fast. Then I saw police coming this way.
According to Pitt police, the first calls went to Pittsburgh police around 11:10 last night for an active shooter at the library with hundreds of students inside. Police say they could hear gunfire on the call. Shortly after, two more similar calls came in. Pitt and Pittsburgh police were at the library within 5 minutes.
We all were just freaking out and running out.
Officers cleared the library and were just about to send out a notification when a call came in about a situation at Mervis Hall, which houses the business school nearby. Pitt's police chief James Loftus made the decision to hold back on sending out an alert.
My regret and my responsibility is that we didn't get the ENS message out as quickly as I feel we could have or should have.
Police then had to clear out that building. An alert wasn't sent out until after 12:30 in the morning. Pitt students expected better.
I really think there should be better measures put in place, or at least the measures that are currently in place should be used better.
I wish there was a reminder sent out so I knew what was happening.
Chief Loftus says there needs to be a middle ground of keeping students informed but also addressing the situation at hand.
Some interim messaging, some things that we can do to steer people away from the area and do that, and have that not affect what we do.
The chief says the concern with these hoaxes is that someone's calling them in to see how these situations are handled and see what the police response is. Live at the University of Pittsburgh, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.